Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a YouTube live stream on your phone. Alright, so I'm here on my phone right now. I'm doing a phone screen recording here. And if you want to know how to do this, I'll have the link in the description below. So I've got an iPhone 8 Plus. And you've got to download the YouTube mobile app. And it's this one right here. Make sure that it's the latest version and you want to click on it. You want to make sure that you're signed in. I'm already signed in right now. So it'll automatically open up my feed here. And if you see in the top right hand corner, I'm already signed into my account. And from here you can switch accounts if you want to, or add a new account, or sign out. Alright, so when you're ready to do a YouTube live stream from your phone, you want to click on that little camera there with the plus sign. Now, depending on the options that you have, you may have something that looks like this or something that looks similar to this. So I've got video, live, and post. Some of you may not have the post feature. That is when you have the community tab and you can do like actual kind of like Facebook posts on your channel. If you don't have that, no worries. YouTube is releasing that on a user basis, so they will decide when you get that option. Alright, so when you're ready to go live, you just want to click on the live button here. And sometimes you'll get like a message or something. We'll just click, got it. And then they're going to ask you to put like a title, if you want this live to be public, or if you want it to be unlisted. You can add your location. You can click on more options here, and you can schedule this for later, or click the advanced settings. You can disable the chat. You can do a couple of things here. Disable monetization or leave it monetized. Let's go back here. And then you can also click the camera thing here on the top right hand corner, and that's going to switch the view of the camera. So that's going to show the other side of the camera, and then the current mode that I had previously was the selfie mode. So if I switch it back here, then this is the selfie mode right now. So I'll just type some things here. YouTube live tutorial, and then I'll put this is a test, done. And then when you're ready, let's just put this as unlisted just in case this goes live. And then I'm going to click next. So from here, it's going to ask you if you want to change the thumbnail. So you can retake a thumbnail. Right now it just looks like a ceiling with lights because I have it on the table here. So that's the view that it has right now. You can upload a thumbnail, like a different one if you already have it on your phone, or retake it. I'm going to click cancel. And then when you're ready to go live, you just click the live button, and then there you go, you're broadcasting to your channel and to the universe. So let me just go back here. Let's go back. Do I want to abandon this? Yes, abandon. So if you don't want to go through with it, you can always go back here. Alright, so that is it. That is how you do a YouTube live stream from your mobile phone. Again, you want to make sure that you have the app, have the updated app. Click on the plus sign with the camera, click on live, fill out your details, the title, description, your thumbnail, choose which camera angle you want, if you want it selfie or if you want it facing out. Update your thumbnail or retake it. If it's all good, then you would click go live. And that is it. That is how you do a YouTube live stream from your phone. Alright, so if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.